from JW Plastic Surgery Center, and we'll be talking about breast augmentation. Hi Dr. Sole,
nice to meet you.
So is this your first time in Singapore?
I remember this is the 5th visit in Singapore. The last visit was for ASBPRS, which is ASEAN Symposium for Breast Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, since I was invited as a speaker last year.
So how do you find Singapore?
Singapore is well known as beautiful, clean and attractive city. I always appreciate for the chance to be in Singapore, and I do enjoy the stay. And I like chili crab very much.
Oh, I love chili crab as well. So what symposium have you attended in this visit?
It is ASEAN IPRAS.
Can you explain more about ASEAN IPRAS?
Sure. It is a conference for plastic surgeons which can discuss the trends or hot issues in plastic surgery field. It originally from IPRAS, International Confederation for Plastic Reconstructive and Aesthetic Surgery. And ASEAN IPRAS is more focused on the needs of the ASEAN countries. So speakers are from all over the world, and the audience is usually from Asian Pacific countries.
So what was the topic of your speech? Can you give us a brief about it?
I had 2 presentations in this conference. First was combination breast augmentation. This means breast augmentation using implant and fat injection at the same time. And the second was management of breast implant malposition. This means how to maintain the proper position of implant after breast augmentation and how to fix if the implant position is wrong.
Can you give us a little background information on breast augmentation surgeries? What are the key differences between modern breast augmentation surgeries and those of the past?
In Asia, X-ray incision is popular because it leaves minimal scar. Generally, blunt dissection method is applied for X-ray approach, but recently, endoscopy method is getting more popular because it provides more accurate operation and fast recovery. I have been doing endoscopic surgery for a long time, and I developed many concepts and methods in endoscopic breast surgery.
So what are the different types of breast augmentation surgeries?
Breast augmentation surgeries can be classified by the incisions, which means transaxillary, perialveolar or inframammary fold incision method. And it can be classified by the material used. It means implant or fat injection or implant and fat injection.
So what is the most popular procedure?
Breast augmentation through the X-ray endoscopic approach with teardrop implant is the most popular method. But for the patient with deep inframammary fold incision method can be a good choice too.
So you're very well known for the combination breast augmentation, which is using both implants and fats. So could you tell us about the advantages?
At first, it is very ideal way to achieve natural results after breast augmentation, rather than using implant only. Moreover, combination of implant and fat injection can be a new solution for the patient with very thin soft tissue, chest wall deformity, asymmetry, and constricted breast.
So what are the preparations that patients should take note of?
If they have no medical problems, they should get the consultation from the doctor of their field. Before the surgery, smoking, drinking, and drugs that can cause bleeding tendency should be avoided for several days.
So what is the recommended length of stay for patients coming to Korea for breast augmentation?
We recommend the patient to stay for at least 10 days for the pre-op test, surgery, recovery, and dressing change.
So besides combination breast augmentation, the other topic of your speech was how to avoid malposition of implants. So can you tell us more about that?
The patient who had breast augmentation should wear the garment or bra in proper way. It should be directed by the doctor, and the patient should follow the instruction with responsibility. It is important for patients to do regular self-check of the position of implant.
So Korean plastic surgery is actually very popular in Singapore. Why do you think so?
Because Korean plastic surgery values natural result and fast recovery. And our priority is safety of the patient.
So what actually differentiates JW Plastic Surgery Center from the other plastic surgery clinics in Korea?
Every country has different standard of beauty. We do our best to meet the expectation of patients from different countries. And we always upgrade our knowledge, skills, expertise to deliver the best for our patients.
So thank you Dr. Saul for taking the time to answer our questions. We hope you have enjoyed this video. For more information, you can head over to JW Plastic Surgery Center's official website or abckorea.com.